back to back to programming. So siyama danguri kimi nang taulo na yan. Birthday ko. Yan. Ayan guys. Mabango na yung isda. Okay, yeah. Put the whole thing kasi malaki tong isda. So okay. Dapat parang ang laki-laki. Pero bukas. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Nailagay na natin yung black pepper. Rub natin siya. Massage natin.
I'm looking at pictures over there.
Ha?
Record my...
What picture are you looking at?
When you were young.
No, it's not. You're looking at a magazine. Like
when you live in
Briarview.
Briarview,
Oh yeah, you have a lot of
Briarview.
you have a lot of no.
Catch up on your reading?
on my what?
Want to catch up on your reading? These are with the magazines. Shut down and read.
Ayan guys. So ayan, ibe-bake natin ito guys ng mga 1 hour siguro kasi sobrang laki.
Magazines there.
Your magazines.
Mine?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You told your name.
I didn't even know I could start with that magazine.
Tapos dito mo ba ilagay yun?
Parang nang alagan na dala, mami dan ni tatang ko.
I want to picture na tatong. I want to picture na tatong. I want to picture na. Ayan guys, ang dami guys, naming kalat oh. Tinanggal lahat yung laman ng aking entertainment center guys kasi maglalagay sila ng TV. Oh, ayan. Kaya tinanggal lahat ni Habi yung laman ng aming cabinet. So, ayan din. Yan mo na ilagay yung So, ngayon guys, balik tayo dito sa lalagay natin ito guys yung aking sa 400. Ayan guys, so yan, ito na guys yung sauce namin sa sweet and sour.
All this nice food being made, and this is gathering.
Oh, yeah.
But there's also
Walang sa...
Just like that.
So saan? We cannot. You can cut that thing, baby. The pork.
cut this. How do I
cut? Just that
way.
Yeah, I have that over there already. The chopping board.
I don't know.
What do you
I think this is Dr. Pepper. Check it.
That's all Dr. Pepper? I don't care. Did you ask for Dr. Pepper?
Right.
yours.
Right, if it's soda, it's okay.
That is soda.
Yeah, maliliit masyado yung veggies.
Maybe I would use that one, but you said it was what you know.
He said we have soap in the house.
No, we didn't get it sweet and sour.
Yeah.
You have that mustard either. You have that? You're doing a good job.
You guys have McDonald's over there.
No, are you allowed to have that? Are you allowed to have that? Well, don't eat. You don't whine right now.
Sige, wag ka namang yan, Ben.
You've been whining since you get sick.
Patangitan naman. Diyos ko nga. Painit ba natin yung kanin o wag na? Mainit naman. Nataki ilago nga na eh. Ayaw niya yung alin. Anong kailangan niya? Anong kailangan niyang sauce?
I think there's sweet and sour here.
Look on the jar, babe. Jar, on the, yung mga jar natin sa laundry room. Ayan guys, yung aming isda. Yung aming sweet and sour. Ang laki kasi kaya hindi malagyan yung... Saan ba yung yung kalat ng bahay namin guys. Ayan. Ito yung sweet and sour. Lagay na lang yung... Wala? Lagay na lang natin yung... yung kanin. Ayan, nagchachap ng lechon yung aking dalaga.
Ano, dalaga ka na? Dalaga ako mo.
Dalaga na may anak mo.
Dalaga ako.
Ikat na naman makanya. Galo na.
Be careful sa kamay mo, babe.
Malayo.
Huwag na, ganyan na. Cut mo yung, yung crunchy. Babe! Lagabas mo na yung natin, babe, mga plato natin. You ready to eat? Well, better come and eat. Lagay mo na rin yung rice dito. Wag na, babe, yan. Sour yung fish.
Yan, minaliliit ko kasi parang hindi rin parang nakakaso yung kain. Narang ito pa.
Makatago fat hair.
Oh.
Fat finger.
Fat hair na.
Kumang, saan si Jen? Kumang, Ross?
Pinapag.
Maalat nga sabi ko, di ba?
Ayan.
Walang gulay. Ayan, gulay.
Nanoy, i-spray mo sa sinok.
Ay, son, yung namabya. Dapat ka kasi.
I-spray mo sa han, babala mo.
Lagyan mo ng ganit. Yan. Diyan kayo. Ano yung Ayan guys, yung aming pagkain. Sweet and sour.
Ano yung yung...
Maglagay ka ng
May lamig
Ay.
naman yung rice.
Oh, di pa init. Hindi kasi ayan na lang kainin nyo. Para isangag natin yan bukas. Agam mo dito yung gulay.
Bigyan mo yung ano dyan.
Para maubos na itong bitwelas natin.
Yan.
Adobong bitwelas.